Good morning, students. I hope you all are safe and good. For grade 6, today we are going to see the chapter remaining part in 5th chapter in geography, major domains of the earth. On previous session, we have covered what are the major domains. On that, we have completed about the lithosphere and the landmass continent. Today, we are going for the next, that is about hydrosphere. Hydro means we all know water. The earth is called as a blue planet, right? Earth is called as a blue planet where 71% of our earth is covered with water, right? That waters in from oceans, rivers, in lakes, ice and glacier, underground water, and the water vapor and atmosphere all get combined and form, it's called as hydrosphere. More than 97% of earth water is found in ocean and it is too salty for human use, right? See here, this is the percentage of ocean water in our earth which we can't use, we are unable to use, we can't use that water because it is too salty. A large portion of rest of water is in the form of ice sheet and glacier under the ground, and very small percentage is available as fresh water for human being, right? A very small amount of fresh water is available for the human being. And here we are going to learn about oceans. Oceans are the major part of hydrosphere. They are interconnected. The major five, the ocean water are always moving. The three movement, the ocean circulation or the movement are the waves, tides and ocean current. The major five oceans are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. About these oceans we will see detailing now. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. It spread over 1/3 of the earth. Mariana Trench, the deepest depth part of the earth, lies in Pacific Ocean, right? The Pacific Ocean is almost circular in shape. Asia, Australia, North and South America are surrounded by Pacific Ocean. And the continents around the Pacific Ocean that we can see in the map, children. The Atlantic Ocean. Next, about the Atlantic Ocean, it is the second largest ocean in the world. It is in the shape of S. It is in the North and South America on the west side and Europe and Africa on the east side. It lies between the North and South America and Europe and Africa. So it got a shape called S. The coastline of Atlantic Ocean is highly indented. This irregular and indented coastline provides ideal location for natural harbors and ports. Right? From the point of view commerce, it is in the busiest ocean. This ocean, Atlantic Ocean, is good for doing commerce, right? Business, for doing business, for making a port, for doing trade. So it is called as a busiest ocean. Next, about the Indian Ocean, is the only ocean named after the country, that is India. This ocean is named after the country of India. The shape of this ocean is almost triangular, right? Because in the north it is bounded by Asia, and in the west by Africa, and east by Australia. So this is about Indian Ocean. And next, about the Southern Ocean. The Southern Ocean encircles the continents of Antarctica and extend northward to 60 degrees of south latitude. This is about the Southern Ocean. And the last, about the Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean is located within the Arctic Circle and surrounds the North Pole. It connects with the Pacific Ocean by a narrow stretch of shallow water known as Bering Strait. It is bounded by north coast of Northern America and Eurasia. We all know what is Eurasia, right? The, the land between which connects Europe and Asia is called Eurasia. Next, we are going to learn about atmosphere. The earth is surrounded by a layer of gas called atmosphere. This is act as a blanket which provides us for breathing the air that we breathe, and it protects us from the harmful effect of the sun rays. The atmosphere extends up to the height of 1600 kilometers. The atmosphere is divided into 5 layers based on the uh, properties, temperature and other properties. It has divided into 5 layers starting from the earth's surface called troposphere and the stratosphere and the mesosphere and the thermosphere and the exosphere, right? Where in the atmosphere the main gas is nitrogen. 99% of gas is nitrogen and 21% of oxygen, and other gases like carbon dioxide, argon and other gases are in the percentage of 1. Oxygen is the breath of life, while nitrogen helps in the growth of living organisms. Carbon dioxide, though present in a minute amount, is important as it absorbs heat radiation from the earth, and it is also essential for the growth of the plant. The density of the atmosphere. The density of the atmosphere varies with the height. It is maximum at the sea level. The density of the air is maximum at the sea level and it decreases rapidly as we go up. The climber experience the problem in the breathing because the density of the air get decreased. They carry oxygen cylinder along with them where they can able to breathe in the high latitude. The temperature also decrease as we go upward. The atmosphere extends pressure on the earth. This varies from place to place. Some area experience high pressure and some area experience low pressure. Air moves from high pressure area to low pressure area. Have in mind, children, always air move from high pressure area to the low pressure area. So moving of air from this areas is called as wind. Clear, children? Next, about biosphere. The biosphere is a narrow zone of contact between the land, water, and the air, and it is a perfect zone that for life, for giving life, for the plant, and for other several species of organisms like microbes, bacteria, and huge mammals. All living organisms, including human, are linked to each other and to the biosphere for the survival, right? And emission from industries, thermal power plant and vehicles pollute the air. Carbon dioxide, CO2, is an important constituent of air, but increase in the amount of carbon dioxide lead to increase in global temperatures. This is a term as global warming. There is such good balance in the nature between the domains of lithosphere, atmosphere, and the hydrosphere, which maintain the resources of the earth, which helps to maintain the natural resources of the earth. So, this is about the major domains of the earth. I hope you all have a clear idea. Thank you and have a great day, children.